Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and we got something a little early. Listen, the good people at Puma, they said we got some Fenty for you and you got it early, so let's go ahead and get into it. So I feel like the last time I was on this channel talking about Fenty and Puma, I was on here hollering and screaming about, oh Puma, we want some clothes, I need y'all to bring some activewear. And they did. They brought some activewear back for her last collaboration. I didn't get that one, but for this one, they sent your girl some clothes. So let's go ahead and read the card real quick. It says, the wait is over. The newest Fenty and Puma drop has arrived. Lightweight in design, yet bold in presence. This collection features vibrant new colorways and innovative design that blends sport and style. Step into the future of play and tag Puma sport style with your fit. First, let's start with the Fenty LSX. This is in the color Puma Silver and Ricky Orange. This time the box is a little different. It's giving a little bit cardboard, so maybe Puma is stepping into a little sustainability. I don't know, I'm gonna have to check on that. We have some additional laces, which I will show you guys. Of course, it's gonna come with a dust bag. One thing for certain, Puma and Fenty, they're gonna give the girls a dust bag for travel. And let's get into the shoe. Wow. This is the Fenty LS. So this is the Puma Fenty LS. You guys have seen this silhouette before on this channel. Y'all have seen it 2 times on this channel. This time we have this silver upper. It has like a different material up here. If y'all can hear that, it has that. Then we have like this like mesh panel up here as well. And then we have like this leather side stripe that we always seen. And then of course we have that stitching throughout the heel and of course through the sole. We love that side stripe that we get from Puma. And then of course we have that flip over tongue. And then when you lift it up, it has like this really cool like motif there. Then the Fenty and Puma logo there. And then also we have that like motif that you see underneath the tongue. It's also in the sock liner of the shoe. You guys know that this is a soccer inspired shoe. You guys know that this comes from an old silhouette that Puma has had, and they have turned this into a lifestyle silhouette. It comes with an additional set of laces, some nice blue laces here. So if you want to swap it out, you know, have your laces match the sole, the heel of the shoe, you can do that as well. But I think I'm gonna stick with the silver. If you have some Pumas already from this silhouette, you could swap it out with some of those. If you're feeling a little fancy, you could do that too. These will also come in another color, which is like a lime green and black colorway as well. But these are fire. And also it comes with a cat cleat. So let's get into that one too. So actually it's not called the cat cleat. This time it is called the Fenty Slide Chic. And it's also in the Ricky Orange and Racing Blue colorway. Comes in the same type of packaging. So to me, it looks like the cat cleat, but it does have more of a slide appearance, which I'm gonna show you shortly. Comes with a dust bag as well. And this is the slide. That's that outsole that we saw on the cat cleat, and I might have to insert a picture of the cat cleats that I showed you guys in the previous video. But this one has more of that slide appearance. The other one had like a thong sandal, so it was more of a thong sandal type appearance to that one. But this is the Slide Chic. So these are extremely lightweight. I'm loving like this little elevated slide thing that they got going on. It's also gonna come with a black pair that has like a fuzzy fur, sexy vibe going on. These are giving more of that athletic appearance. And I love in the ad that they have like some white socks on with it. And that's probably how I'm gonna style it. I'm probably gonna throw some white socks on with it. So you guys will see in some of the photos, because clearly I have worn them already. Shout out to Puma, I appreciate y'all. I got these before my birthday, so like duh, why wouldn't I go ahead and style them and wear them before then? First, let's get into the mini bag. So it has like a little silver mini bag. It has the Fenty logo on it in orange. Then it has the little blue straps and then an adjustable blue strap as well. It's so cute. I love it. You can adjust it. Then it has like the Puma logo here on the zipper. Now, it's only big enough to put, you know, credit cards in here, maybe some fancy lip gloss, a couple dollars, and that's it. Hopes and dreams. That's all that's gonna be able to fit into this bag. Also, there's a scarf. Okay, darling, is a scarf. This scarf is $50. It has Fenty on it. It has Fenty. Can y'all see it? Wait a minute. It has Fenty on it. with the Puma logo, and it's so cute. So of course you can just tie it. You can wear it as a halter top. You can tie it on the head because, you know, that's how all the girlies are wearing it. Maybe, you know, tie it, have your Fenty logo on that side, however you want to tie it. I think this is super fire. They also have like clothing that's black, and it would look super dope with that, with the fur slides. Or if you're feeling, you know, fancy, wear it with the orange or whatever. We ain't gonna mess with the hat too much. But yeah, this is super dope. I love this. A scarf came with the previous collection as well, but I just think this is super fire. Last but certainly not least, they sent your girl the tracksuit. Hello? They sent your girl the tracksuit. So of course it comes with like this satin track jacket with the blue piping through there, with this electric blue piping that we've been seeing throughout the whole motif of this collection. It's gonna look great with the handbag, with the slides, with the Fenty LS. It's gonna look amazing. Of course, it has pockets, it has zip pockets, and this jacket is zips from the top up and from the bottom as well. So, you know, if you wanna get fancy with how your jacket looks, you have the option of doing that. We have the tracksuit collection. We have the handbag, the scarf. Like, it looks so good. It's so cool, and I'm obsessed. I think Fenty and Puma was in the lab cooking. I really enjoy this color story. I think it looks so good. So sound off in the comments below. Let me know what y'all think about the collection. I think Rihanna and ASAP, they over there doing a little something with Puma. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.